Lord, I have been thinking to myself lately, how wonderful you have been to me. Despite situations which looked impossible, with a human eye and smiled, my God shall supply all my needs according to His riches in glory by Christ Jesus. My God shall supply all my needs according to His riches in glory by Christ Jesus. At my lowest point in life, I have seen you working and aligning every detail of my life according to your will. When doubt swallowed me and confusion rested within me, you still came through. And I saw you opening bigger and better doors in my life. My God shall supply all my needs according to His riches in glory by Christ Jesus. Yes, He did. My God shall supply all my needs according to His riches in glory by Christ Jesus. You always showed up because you are truth and light. You still forgave me even though I doubted, and you built my faith and confidence. My God shall supply all my needs according to His riches in glory by Christ Jesus. Oh, yes, He did. My God shall his riches in glory by Christ Jesus. Always he will supply all my needs according to his riches in glory by Christ Jesus.